Hello friends, welcome to ScholarsNet. So friends, today we are going to learn about elimination. In this process, we will learn how to solve a linear pair of equations. Previous classes, we have learned about how to solve a pair of linear equation with substitution method. Okay, if there are some doubts, please comment me for which I can provide more video on that. Okay, so let us focus on elimination. Okay, suppose I have two equations, 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Here is equation 1, here is equation 2. So elimination means to eliminate, to eliminate, to eliminate. What eliminate? This is the process to eliminate one unknown factor. Who is there? Here x and y. X and y. Among x and y, we have to eliminate only one. Okay. So, if we want to eliminate y, then we have to judge the coefficient of y. Here, the coefficient is of y is plus 3 and here is minus 1, coefficient of y. So, coefficients are not equal. So, we have to equal them. In order to equal the coefficients of y, I have to multiply equation 2 with 3 and then by adding the two equations, y will be eliminated. Okay, let's focus on the process. I am writing here that equation 1 minus equation 2 into 3. Equation 2 into 3. That means equation 2 will be multiplied by 3 to equal the coefficient of y and then subtract. Here subtraction will not eliminate y because the signs are opposite. If signs are opposite, then we have to take addition because additive inverse are opposite in sign in nature. So we have to add here. So addition symbol is there. If the signs are same, then we have to subtract it. Okay. So equation 1 plus equation 2 into 3. So we get that 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y plus 21 equal to 0. So we are adding them. So plus 3y and minus 3y are additive inverse. They are cancelled out. Then 5x plus 19 equal to 0. That implies x equal to minus 19 by 5. Here we get the value of x. Okay. By putting the value of x in equation 1 or 2, we will get the value of y. So I am writing here by putting or applying value of x in equation 2, we get what we get? We get minus 19 by 5 minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Hence, that implies y equal to minus 19 by 5 plus 7. That equal to minus 19 plus 35 divided by 5. That will give result that 35 minus 19 is 16, 16 by 5. So our solution is minus 19 by 5, 16 by 5. Okay. This is called elimination process. In this process, we have to eliminate one variable in both the equation by equalizing the coefficients and further addition or subtraction takes place with respect to their signs. Okay. So another example I am showing you. Another example. Suppose x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Here is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Here, if we want to eliminate y, then the coefficient in equation 1 is 2 and equation 2 is 1. So, we have to equal the coefficient of y. So, I have to multiply equation 2 with 2. But here the signs are equal. If the signs are equal, then I have to subtract it. Okay. So, I am writing here equation 1 minus equation 2 into 2. Why I multiply 2? Because the coefficient in equation 2 of y is 1. I have to change it to 2. So, I multiplied 2. Clear? So, I get x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 and 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Then I have to subtract. Why I have to subtract? Because the signs are equal. As the signs are equal, then I have to subtract it. Subtract means the sign change of the second equation of every terms. 4x was positive and changed into negative. 2y was positive, changed into negative, and minus 4 is positive, negative, changed into positive. So here minus 3x and plus 2y minus 2y is additive inverse, and it is minus 1 equal to 0. That result to x equal to minus 1 by 3. If I put the value of x in equation 2 or equation 1, I will get the value of y. Okay. So, I am getting here by applying the value of x in equation 2, we get 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus y minus 2 equal to 0. That implies y equal to 2 plus 2 by 3. That result to 8 by 3. So, solution is minus 1 by 3, 8 by 3. Okay. So, dear students, please go through your book and solve the equations which are given to substitution and also elimination. And if there are any doubts, please comment me. Then I will make another video to provide the solutions and to understand you betterly. Okay. So thank you. See you next class.